Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the BioShock Infinite game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and now type in BioShock Infinite to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up your credentials of the chosen payment method, and as soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. From there, you can just choose your install location and continue forward to begin the installation. Once the download and installation is complete, you can start enjoying the BioShock Infinite game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the BioShock Infinite game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.